Hello my darlings and welcome back to my channel. The Christmas season is officially here and you know what that means. Time to add a little festive flair to our chic wardrobe. Today I'm sharing 16 elegant, classy, and holiday-worthy old money casual looks that are perfect for everything from cozy family gatherings to sophisticated city strolls. Ready to feel fabulously festive? Let's dive in. Let's start with a look that feels as warm and inviting as the season itself. A cream cashmere sweater, tailored beige trousers, and a camel trench coat. It's all about effortless luxury. Pair it with pearl studs, ballet flats, and a tan leather bag. Perfect for an elegant winter stroll. This navy and white Breton striped sweater, paired with tailored beige trousers and a camel coat, is a holiday staple. Add gold hoops and a silk scarf for a touch of sparkle. Imagine yourself sipping a peppermint latte at a cozy cafe, Parisian vibes with a seasonal twist. Nothing says holiday elegance like an equestrian-inspired look. A crisp white shirt, black trousers, and a navy blazer, paired with polished riding boots, are perfect for a countryside stroll. Add pearl earrings and a tan satchel for a refined finish. This look will have you feeling like you're starring in your very own holiday romance movie. This one's for those lucky enough to escape to warmer climates this season. A white linen shirt and navy tailored shorts, paired with espadrilles and a straw bag, keep things breezy yet chic. Swap the flowers for some festive holly, and you've got a look perfect for a sunny holiday getaway. Black and beige never go out of style, and this look is proof. A black turtleneck, beige midi skirt, and black wool coat paired with pointed toe boots are both elegant and festive. Add diamond studs and a sleek handbag for an effortlessly polished city vibe. It's made for holiday shopping sprees. Who doesn't love cozying up in a cable knit sweater? This oversized gray knit paired with white tailored shorts is the perfect balance of cozy and chic. White loafers and a silk scarf add an elegant touch. This look feels like wrapping yourself in a stylish hug. A simple blue sweater and navy tailored trousers come to life with polished navy pumps and a structured handbag. Add a pop of pink lip balm for that fresh winter glow. Perfect for a weekend escape filled with frosty mornings and warm fires. Picture this: holiday celebrations by the sea. A cream knit sweater, white linen trousers, and a navy blazer exude understated luxury. A straw hat and woven tote make it perfect for a warm weather holiday celebration. Add a little holiday sparkle with pearl earrings. This look is all about preppy perfection. A navy cable knit sweater layered over a light blue Oxford shirt with beige chinos and loafers creates a classic silhouette. Add a vintage wristwatch and tortoiseshell sunglasses to stay polished. And don't forget a festive red scarf for a pop of holiday color. For those who love neutral tones, this beige cashmere cardigan over a white silk camisole paired with light blue jeans is dreamy. Add nude ballet flats and a taupe shoulder bag for a chic yet relaxed vibe. Picture yourself browsing holiday markets under twinkling lights. Perfection! This white fitted cardigan and matching satin midi skirt is sleek, elegant, and perfect for the season. White leather pumps and a silver bracelet add a sophisticated touch. Wear this for holiday shopping or a festive lunch date. A black turtleneck with white wide-leg trousers is pure sophistication. Add a high ponytail with a silk ribbon and diamond studs for a holiday twist. This look screams elegance, whether you're sipping a cappuccino or wrapping gifts in style. A striped sweater, tailored white trousers, and pumps are a holiday must-have. Add a brown leather bag and winged eyeliner for a polished look. It's ideal for wandering through the city and taking in all the festive magic. This Preppy ensemble, a navy sweater vest layered over a button-up shirt with a white tennis skirt, is playful yet refined. Pair it with white sneakers and a wicker bag filled with winter greenery for a look that's as charming as it is festive. Next, we have this soft, romantic look. A white eyelet blouse tucked into a green midi skirt. Add white espadrilles and a silk scarf for an effortlessly graceful vibe. It's the perfect outfit for a festive garden party or holiday photo shoot. For our final look, we're channeling sophisticated holiday brunch vibes. A light blue linen shirt tucked into a beige maxi skirt is effortlessly refined. Pair it with beige pumps, a pearl bracelet, and a sleek low bun for an ultra-polished finish. Add a beige leather handbag and you're ready to toast the season in style. And that's a wrap on 16 stunning holiday-worthy outfits, all with that elegant old money flair. Whether it's a festive brunch, a cozy countryside escape, or a chic city stroll, these looks will have you glowing this holiday season. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers to a stylish and magical holiday season.